Money Ideas: How to Make Money on TikTok in 2023, featuring Addison Rae. Agenda: in today's video, we're talking about Addison Rae. So let's get into the video. So Addison Rae, she has 88 million followers on TikTok, 5.8 billion likes, and a net worth of $15 million. Her timeline: in 2006, she began dancing competitively at tournaments across the US. In July 2019, she joined TikTok and started uploading dance videos to popular and trending songs. In fall 2019, she attended Louisiana State University, but later dropped out to pursue her TikTok career. In December 2019, she became part of the Hype House, a TikTok collaborative group of influencers who live and create content together. In January 2020, she signed with talent agency WME along with her parents. In July 2020, she launches a weekly podcast with her mother called Mama Knows Best, later renamed to That Was Fun. August 2020, she launches her own cosmetics line called Item Beauty in collaboration with Made by Collective. In March 2021, begins her music career with her debut single Obsessed on Spotify. In August 2021, she begins her acting career, debuting in the movie He's All That, and signs a multi-picture deal. In August 2022, she lands her second movie deal for the cast of Fashionista, which is still in development. So how she makes her money? Sponsored posts. According to Hopper HQ, she earns $65,200 per TikTok post. Endorsements. She signed sponsorship deals with a number of brands including Fashion Nova, Pandora, Vital Proteins, and Ipsy, to name a few. Partnerships. She's partnered with companies like Made by Collective for her cosmetics line, Item Beauty. Partnerships. She's also partnered with American Eagle as a brand ambassador for the ongoing promotion of their clothing line. Movies. She starred as the lead actor in the movie He's All That by Netflix, which came with a six-figure salary and a multi-picture deal for future films. TikTok Creator Fund. It's a monetary payment structure based on views, engagement, and followers, which she receives because she is one of the most popular TikTok accounts. Podcasting. She has a deal with Spotify for the exclusive podcast, joined by her mother, called That Was Fun, which has been very popular. Documentary. She has a deal with Snapchat for an exclusive 10-part series called Addison Rae Goes Home. Fragrance. She has 2 fragrance brands. Her latest is Addison Rae Fragrance, and she has another one called AF Collection by Addison Rae. Merchandise. She has a line of merchandise and apparel products, including hats, hoodies, shorts, cups, and plenty more. Music. She signed to Sandlot Records for her debut single Obsessed, which has over 47 million streams. Addison Rae's earnings from TikTok for 2021 is $9 million. Or 2022, we're unsure, but we can tell that it's probably in the millions. Key takeaway here: get busy. If you don't have an agent yet, you be your own agent. So what does that mean? That means you need to go out there and start promoting yourself, start creating opportunities for yourself, even if you haven't got a following as of yet. So as you can see with Addison Rae, she's got a lot of money that's been generated from endorsements and sponsorships, probably even more so than she gets on TikTok from the Creator Fund. So what I want you to do is, if you're planning on making money on TikTok, or you want to start making money on TikTok, you need to get busy going and creating opportunities for yourself. You can't wait for these opportunities to land on your doorstep. They're not gonna, not until you're very popular. So what you can do is you can start going out there, reaching out to brands, companies, and organizations, and start pitching yourself for potential promotions. Initially, maybe you might just do it for free, or maybe you might just do it for like a freebie or for very low pay. But as time goes on, as you get more popular, you can then start, offering and asking for, requesting larger amounts of, payment. You can start going to bigger brands and organizations and household names and start pitching them too. And then you may start finding that these organizations start coming to you as well. And you can then start creating a media pack, which has all of your information, like the amount of followers you have, the views, the analytics, all about your different accounts. So you be your own agent. You get out there and start creating opportunities for your own self. Explore, explore, explore. Be omni-channel, omni-money making. So I want you not to just look at TikTok as the only means of basically building your influence, building, making money online. I mean, TikTok is good. Addison Rae's done very well on TikTok, but she's also done well on other platforms too. She's on Instagram, she's on YouTube, she does other things beyond just TikTok. So I need you to be on as many platforms as you can get on and start building your influence, start creating content and sharing it on all of these different platforms. And with regards to omni money making, I need you to see how many different ways you can start monetizing and making money from your influence, from, being online. So don't just rely on one methodology. Don't just rely on, I'm going to get the TikTok Creator Fund when I get popular. I want you to see if you can make your own merchandise. See if you can create your own sponsorships and endorsement deals. See if you can, use a variety of different means. See if you can be a promoter or affiliate for some other things. See how many different ways you can make money, see if you can provide a service too. See what, if you can create your own product. See what different things you can do, because Addison Rae was doing lots of different things. She wasn't just making money from one means. She was even testing the waters of things that maybe she wasn't even too sure about, like the music stuff. And now she's gone into acting. So you can see she's explored it. So you need to start exploring. Commit to this 100%. So with Addison Rae, she dropped out of university so she could pursue this 100% and move to LA. And that was a big move for her. And, for a lot of people, they wouldn't be willing to risk that, such a thing to do. They'd prefer to just stay in a safe place, like, be at university and do this. But she committed 100% and went all in. And as a result, she succeeded. Now, I'm not telling you to go quit university or school or quit your job if you're in a job. You can do this simultaneously. But what I need you to do is that when you're not doing your main thing, when you're not at school, when you're not at university, when you're not at work or at your job, all the time and effort and energy needs to go towards this thing. If you want it to be popular, if you want it to succeed, it all needs to go towards this thing. So if it's TikTok, if you want to make money on TikTok, it needs to be that. You need to be creating your content when you're not at school, when you're not at work. You need to be posting several videos. You need to be committing 100% to this thing. So your action steps for today's video are as follows. 1, obviously go and create your account if you haven't already done so that we can get started. 2, I want you to design it. So start filling it out, start putting stuff in it, put in your bio, put in the profile pic, put in, a few videos, introducing yourself, fill it out a bit, design it, make it look, homely, make it look like your own. 3, I want you to post a skill video daily. So when I say a skill video, I mean, what skills do you have? Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cleaning? Are you good with mechanics? Are you good at building and making things? Are you good at dancing, singing? Are you good at, sports? What skill have you got? Whatever skill that is, I want you to just start posting a video daily about that skill, showing it, demonstrating it, showing it off. Maybe you can explain how to do it. Just post a video daily with that skill, because Addison Rae, that's what she did. She was doing the dancing when she was younger, and then later on, she's posting these dancing videos as that was her skill. So, you got to find your skill and then start posting it daily. 4, I want you to sell something. You have to start selling something. If you can't think of anything, just start off with merchandise, because that's a very easy place to start off with. So you can just literally just, put a few names or a logo or, your picture of yourself even on the t-shirt, on a hat, on a bag, on a cup or whatever, merchandise. That's an easy way to start. So you can begin there. And if you want to get more brave, you can start, offering services too. Maybe, for example, if the skill was that, you're doing the cooking, you can offer a service where you do one-to-one coaching that shows people how to do the cooking, or maybe you create a product even still. Maybe you make a little video where you demonstrate how to cook and you can sell that video as a short mini course. Do a variety of different things, see what you can implement, but sell something, because this is not a freebie thing. We're not just doing this for fun. We're doing this to make money. So, before you get popular like Addison Rae or anything like that, you need to be, monetizing it from even when you got a small amount of viewers. Look, good things come to those who wait, but who wants to wait around? So don't wait around. I'm not telling you to just hang about and just expect that, somebody's going to knock on your door with, big sponsorship contracts. It's not going to happen like that. If you want these contracts, these sponsorship deals, you're probably going to have to go get them yourself. And as usual, like, subscribe and share, leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.